video, we'll go through how to move a Go device from one asset to the other and archiving that previous asset. So to begin, you're going to want to click on Assets on the left-hand side panel, finding the vehicle that you want to take the Go device from, and click on the left square next to that vehicle. Then click on Edit, locate the serial number for the device, and copy it. Then scroll up and click on Remove on the top of the page. From there, you're going to click on Archive Asset. And now you're going to create a new asset by clicking Add Asset on the top of the page. Click Add Single Asset. Give your asset a unique name. Place the serial number for this device. And then enter the vehicle information identification number, followed by placing the asset in the type group. Click Save New Asset. Once you're brought back to the Asset Edit page, add any of the following information as required, and then click on Save at the top of the page. If you navigate back to the Assets tab, you can find the new asset that you have added. And those are the steps for removing a Go device and archiving an asset.